Hi guys! In today's video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to create multiple Hidemyacc profiles according to the latest update. The Muti Profiles feature is also a way for you to create new profiles. To get started, click this button. Here, you will have two options to create profiles. First is create multi profiles as usual. And the second, import profiles using the template format. Please note, this import feature is different from the import profile function used to import profiles previously exported from Hidemyacc. Next, Hidemyacc will show you both methods of creating profiles. For the first method, you create profiles the usual way. Fill in the required information including number of profiles, storage folder, profile name. Note that the number of names must match the number of profiles. If you enter fewer or more names than the number of profiles, the system will automatically show an error. You can enter one name only, and the following profiles will automatically be numbered. For example, if you enter Hidemyacc, the system will generate Hidemyacc 1, Hidemyacc 2, Hidemyacc 3, etc. If you leave the name field blank, the system will randomly generate profile names. In the Use Agents section, there are three options: General, Custom and Random. If you select General, you can customize the OS and browser just like when creating a new profile. If you select Custom, you must enter one user agent per line, and the number of user agents must match the number of profiles. Finally, with Random, you select OS and browser options, and the system will randomize user agents according to your settings. The remaining sections such as Proxy, Extensions, Time Zone, WebRTC, Geolocation, Advanced, Cookies, and Bookmarks should be filled the same way as when creating a new profile. Next is the Import Profiles method. First, download the template file. Then fill in all required information, including profile name, cookies in JSON format, proxy type, proxy details, host port, username and password. User agent, leave blank if you want the system to randomize it. Bookmarks in one of the two formats, folder name, bookmark name, URL and bookmark name, URL. And lastly, add notes if necessary. After uploading the file, click Check Data to verify the information, then click Save Profile. The system will then display the profile creation screen. Here, you can adjust the settings as needed and click Create to finalize profile creation. Above, Hidemyacc has just guided you through how to create multiple Hidemyacc profiles using the two methods available in version 3.0.93. If you notice any changes in the features, please feel free to contact Hidemyacc support via live chat for the fastest assistance, or visit the Hidemyacc documentation linked in the description. Thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next one.